This is what Mars looks like through the Hubble telescope. Over the years, different pictures of it. And from me doing a couple hours of looking at different images of Mars from Earth, I found none that even come close to looking like this planet does. Not one. Here I'm showing how I went about bringing out more detail of these still pictures from Henning's video. I just adjusted the contrast and the bright and hue and saturation to try and bring out the correct coloring. And I was able to bring out a lot more detail, using still pictures as opposed to the video. It's an amazing, astounding video, so please, after seeing these pictures, go to his channel. There's a link in the description box, and watch the video. But now let's take a look at these pictures. See how there's a round circle around a ball? And the way that it's set on there, it compresses the edges out to where it kind of looks like two flaps, like wings. But there's definitely some type of object in the very center, and then a round circle. And then there's a part that actually looks like it wraps around, but it does it in such a way that in many of the pictures it looks like wings on either side. And it also looks like the edges are made up of a lighter color. It's the most amazing video I've ever seen, from Earth, of a planet moving across the sky. A lot of people are claiming this to be Mars, but I've looked at a lot of pictures of Mars that people have taken pictures of from Earth, and I cannot find a single one, not a single one, that even comes close to looking like this. Look at that face right in the center of that picture. That's incredible. And then the dark objects in the video, they're actually moving around. In the video, it's in a constant state of transformation, and all those particles are interacting and moving around. That's why I went ahead and captured some still pictures from the video. But see, that's what it looks like before zooming in. But you can see the circle, the center, the edges. See the outside edges where it looks like they're little flaps like wings. And then there's the circle with the object in the center. But now if you look at it from a different angle, you can say that that part where the wings are wraps around the circle and making it look like that. But to me, this is just incredible. I mean, does that look like Mars to you? No way, there's no way. And then to see it in the video, like I said, all those particles are moving and interacting, and you can clearly see the black objects moving around as it's floating across the sky. And Mars just does not do that. And see up on the top at the 12 o'clock position, there's a dark area of material sitting up there. This is just incredible. It's amazing. I mean, the interview that I listened to of the guy that actually claims to have seen Nibiru through the Hubble telescope transmission said that it looks exactly like what we're looking at here. He said it looked like a ball with a bunch of debris moving around it. He described it exactly like this. I'll put the link to that video in the description box so you'll be able to watch it also. But he described it exactly like this looks. Now, I'm not claiming that that's what this is, but I am claiming that I listened to the interview, but from his description, he described this to a T. I'm not claiming to know what this is, but it does not look like any visual representations of Mars that I have ever seen or that I can find. And it's the strangest planetary video I have ever seen in my life. Because like I say, when you go to Henning's channel and watch the video, you'll see that all of those orbs and particles are moving. And it's in space, so it's not in our atmosphere. So those dark objects are enormous in size. From the video, Henning shows where the object is in relation to the moon. So by doing some rough math, a person can get a rough estimation of size. Look at that. That is just incredible, man. Does that look like any pictures of Mars that you have ever seen? Henning has put out some really good videos recently. There's the face again, look at that. But he's put out some very good videos using high definition pictures of the moon. And he did really well on those, and I encourage you to watch those as well. The links are in the description box. I hope you all are well. Godspeed. I'll talk to you again soon.